Everyone talks about the US, UK, and Canada for studying abroad. But what if I tell you some of the top study destinations for 2025 are not even in that tribe? From world class education to unmatched lifestyle, these five countries might just change the game for your academic journey. And before telling you all that, subscribe to the channel. Because obviously you want to study abroad and you need all the information we are going to share next. So why not just put the notification on and get all the updates earlier than your newspaper wale bhaiya. And with that thought, let's dive into the top 5 countries to study abroad in 2025. Coming in first, the land of fine wine, fashion and phenomenal education, France. Its top universities are Sorbonne University, Sciences Po and EM Normandy. And top courses are business, fashion, art, political science and engineering. Public universities charge as low as 8,000 euros per year for undergrad and 20,000 euros per year for postgrad. And here is the figure. If you are from an European country or under an exchange program, you might pay even less or nothing at all. अब scholarships की अगर हम बात करें तो IFL Excellence Scholarship, France Excellence Sharp Scholarship and many university specific merit awards. अगर फ्रांस के बारे में डिटेल में जानना है तो क्लिक ऑन दिस लिंक. और अब अगर फ्रांस की बात हो गई है तो लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट कंट्री ऑन आवर लिस्ट. इज अ पीसफुल जेम इन सेंट्रल यूरोप, दैट इज ऑस्ट्रिया. Often overlooked but absolutely worth your attention. Its top universities are University of Vienna, TU Wien, University of Innsbruck and Bachelor Vienna. And top courses are music, psychology, tourism, engineering and political science. पब्लिक यूनिवर्सिटीज की अगर हम बात करें तो दे चार्ज अराउंड 726 euros per semester for non-European students. And private universities charge around 10,000 to 25,000 euros per year. और scholarships तो बहुत सारी मिलती हैं. Government based scholarships, university based aids like at Bachelor Vienna or Central European University, or Erasmus funding for exchange programs. Austria offers the perfect balance: world-class education, low tuition, and high quality of life. Third on the list is one of the most progressive and student-friendly countries in Europe. That is the Netherlands. And its top universities are University of Amsterdam, Delft University of Technology, and Erasmus University. And top courses are business, psychology, sustainability, engineering, and AI. And the best part, over 2,000 plus courses are taught entirely in English. Tuition fees की अगर हम बात करें तो they charge around 9,000 to 20,000 euros per year for non-European students. With a strong international community, high quality of life, and great job opportunities post-study, Netherlands is a hidden gem waiting to be explored. And if you are planning to study in Netherlands, तो हमारी ये वाली वीडियो देखो. इसमें we have talked about different universities in Netherlands, their top courses, global rankings, etc. And now let's continue the list and move on to our next country. On number 4, we have the Nordic powerhouse of education and innovation. That is Finland. Its top universities are University of Helsinki, Aalto University and LUT University. And top courses are design, technology, education and environmental sciences. अब ट्यूशन फीस की बात करें तो पब्लिक यूनिवर्सिटीज चार्ज अराउंड 6,000 to 18,000 euros per year for non-European students. And private institutions, although rare, but some master's level program may go up to 25,000 euros per year. Finland's teaching model is internationally acclaimed, flexible, student-centered and super tech-savvy. And last but not the least, let's talk about precision, chocolate and high salaries. That is the Switzerland. Its top universities are ETH Zurich, University of Geneva, University of Lausanne and Lyon University. And top courses are luxury business, travel and tourism, finance, engineering and international relations. Tuition fees is surprisingly low at public universities, around 1,000 to 3,000 Swiss franc per year. But private universities में, especially hospitality schools में काफी ज़्यादा फीस है, around 20 to 50,000 Swiss franc per year. Also, cost of living is a little high, and you need to show a financial proof of 25,000 to 30,000 Swiss franc in your bank account to sustain your living. अब scholarships की अगर हम बात करें तो Swiss Excellence Scholarship Programs, institutional merit-based scholarships and partial funding from cantonal programs. और एक राज की बात बताओ, one of our student got 30% scholarship, which is around 46 lakh rupees from a university in Switzerland, that is the Lyon University. If you are also looking for great scholarship options and one-on-one connectivity, contact our team of World edX and we'll make your study abroad journey a little easier. So there you have it. France, Austria, Netherlands, Finland and Switzerland. Each country offering a unique study abroad experience outside the US, UK, Canada bubble. Now it's your turn. Tell us in the comments which country would you like to study in. And if you want personalized help picking the best university, understanding scholarships and cracking a student visa, then contact us on the details given in the screen. And now if you like this video, then hit that like button, share this video with your study abroad buddies and subscribe to the channel for more such videos. And I see you in the next one.